Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about some problem that is related to the arithmetic progression. After that we study about the harmonic progressions. Now here question number 13 that asks in JEE Main 2002, sum of infinite number of terms of GP is 20 and sum of their square is 100. The common ratio of GP is 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 1 by 5. Here sum of infinite number of terms of GP is 20. Let us suppose that first term equal to A and common difference and common ratio is R. Then GP, geometric progression AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, dot. Now here sum of infinite number of terms of GP is 20. It means that S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Sum of infinite number of GP A divided by 1 minus R, and this is equal to 20 here. Now show that A equal to, this comes here, 20, 1 minus R, this is relation first. Now sum of their square is 100, sum of their square, so that sum of their square is 100. It means that now sum of their square means A square, R square, A square R का पावर 4, A square R का पावर 6, A square R का पावर 8. This is this. In this case, sum of their square is 100. It means that in this case first term is A square, first term is A square and common difference equal to AR square divided by A square, R square, AR to the power 4, A square R to the power 4 divided by this. This is a R square, so that common difference equal to R square. Now sum of this a by a square divided by 1 minus r square, and this is equal to 100 given, so that this can be written as a square equal to 100 1 minus r square. Putting the value of a from here, 20 1 minus r, that is square equal to, this is equal to 100, a square minus b square, a minus b and a plus b, similar things, 1 plus r, 1 minus r here, and this can be written as 400 1 minus r square, this is equal to 100, 1 plus r and 1 minus r. Now 0 cancel, and 1 minus r square and 1 minus r, this is cancelled, so that here 4 1 minus r, 4 1 minus r equal to 1 plus r. This can be 4 minus 4r equal to 1 plus r. Now this comes here, 4 minus 1 r plus 4r. It means that 5r equal to 3, r equal to 3 by 5. Now here the common ratio of GP is 3 by 5. It means that answer will be B, 3 by 5. Now we see one more question related to this. Now here question number 14. In the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c बराबर 0, delta equal to b square minus 4ac, and alpha plus beta alpha square plus beta square alpha cube plus beta cube are in GP, where alpha beta are the root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c बराबर 0, then delta does not equal to 0, b into delta equal to 0, c into delta equal to 0, and d delta equal to 0. Now here we have already studied about the quadratic equations in the previous videos, and now here in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, delta equal to b square minus 4ac, alpha beta are the root of this, so that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta equal to plus minus plus c by a. Now here alpha plus beta already here, alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Value of these we first of all calculated we know that alpha plus beta का whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now value of this comes here negative, so that alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta का whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a का whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to c by a, so that this will be equal to b square by a square, b square by a square minus 2c by a. It means that a square here and b square minus a 2ac. Now alpha square plus beta square equal to b square minus 2ac but divided by a square. In this case, b square minus 2ac by a square. Now we have calculate the alpha cube plus beta cube. Now we know that alpha plus beta का whole cube equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta bracket में alpha plus beta. This is the equation. This now we have to calculate the alpha cube plus beta cube. In this case, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to, this comes here negative with negative sign, alpha plus beta का whole cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket में alpha plus beta. Now putting the value of alpha plus beta here, minus b by a का whole cube minus 3 alpha beta. It means that c by a into alpha plus beta minus b by a. Now this will be equal to minus b cube by a cube, and this will be minus minus plus 3bc by a square, 3bc by a square. Now we take the here common minus b cube minus take लघुत्तम a cube b cube minus 3abc here, because we take the negative sign here common. b cube minus 3abc, a is a square, a cube a 3abc. Now this is a alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube. R in GP alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube, R in GP. Here it means that putting the value of this alpha plus beta means minus b by a alpha square plus beta square b square minus 2ac by a square alpha cube this minus b cube minus 3abc divided by a cube r in gp. These three terms are in gp. Now I know that if A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. I know about the property of GP here. So that in this case, applying this property, B square minus 2AC divided by a square to the power 2 equal to product of this. Now product of this minus minus plus b by a bracket b square minus 3 abc divided by a के power 3. Now this is a to power 4. And this is also, this can be written as b square minus 2ac to the power 2 divided by a के power 4, and this comes here b by a के power 4 b square minus 3abc. a के power 4 and a के power 4 cancel, and now we a minus b का होल स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर b के पावर 4 प्लस b स्क्वायर 2 2 जा 4 a स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर माइनस 2 2 2 जा 4 a b 4 a b स्क्वायर c इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस b के पावर 3 माइनस 3 a b के पावर 2 and c. Here 4a square in this case. Now here b cube minus 3abc divided by a cube, multiply this b cube, a cube take common here, a के power 4 and b by a के power 4 b cube minus 3abc. Now a के power 4 and के power 4 cancel, a minus b का whole square and b के power 4 plus 4 a square c square minus 2 into product of this 2 to the 4 a b square c, and this b के power 4 and this is 3 a b square c. b के power 4 and b के power 4 cancel, 4 a square c square, and here this is negative comes here positive, 4 a b square c plus 3 a b square c. This is a b square c. Now we take the common a and c here, 4ac minus b square and b square minus 4ac delta are, if we take this minus so that become positive, and ac into delta equal to 0. Since our quadratic equations here alpha that a does not equal to 0, because due to this, if a is 0, this is not a quadratic equation, so that for the quadratic equations a does not equal to 0, so that c into delta equal to 0. That is our required answer, c delta c into C delta equal to 0. This is our answer. Now we study about the harmonic progressions here. Now harmonic progression, the series of the reciprocal of terms of an AP is called the harmonic progression. It means that if the arithmetic progression are given, then the reciprocal of each terms of the arithmetic progressions that form a series, that series is known as harmonic progressions. Now here, if A1, A2, A3, dot An be in AP arithmetic progressions, so that the reciprocal of terms of an AP 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, dot 1 by An in the XP and harmonic progressions. Now, in the general, in the arithmetic progressions, we take the A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus n minus 1 D are in n terms of AP. Then the reciprocal of each terms, like here 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus 3D, dot A by 1 plus n minus 1 to D, be in general terms of the this is HP. Now we can say that nth term of HP equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D, where D is the common difference of corresponding AP. Now in this case, harmonic means if AB, AHB are in the HP, where here is the harmonic means, it means that the reciprocal of terms 1 by A, 1 by H, 1 by B are in AP. So that 2 into 1 by H equal to sum of first and last terms 1 by A plus 1 by B, so that AB, B plus A 2 by H, it means that 2 comes here AB and after that H is equal to 2AB by A plus B. This is the harmonic means among the three terms. Now we discuss in inserting n harmonic means between two terms here. Now here inserting n harmonic means of two given terms A and B. Here let us suppose that A, H1, H2, H3, H4, dot Hn and B are in HP. In this case, H1, H2, this is up to Hn are the harmonic means and it is a harmonic progressions, so that reciprocal of H terms, that is 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3, 1 by H4, 1 by Hn, 1 by B in AP. This is a arithmetic progression. And I know that here let us suppose that common difference corresponding to AP is D. So that total terms of this is a n and 1 and 1 n plus 2. So that I will know that study in the arithmetic progressions Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Similar things in this case n replaced by n plus 2, so that 1 by B is the n plus 2 terms, that is a n plus 2 terms 1 by B first terms and n plus 2 minus 1 into D. This comes here minus 1 by A and n plus 1 into D. We take LCM AB a minus b n plus 1 into d, so that d equal to a minus b by n plus 1 ab, so that we calculate the harmonic means h1 with the help of this. This is a 1 by h1 equal to a plus d, a equal to 1 by a into d, h2 1 by h2 equal to a plus 2d, 1 by h3 a equal to 1 by a. Here this is ap and 3d. With the help of this, we calculate the n harmonic means of the between the two given numbers. Now one question here. Find the n terms of the series here. 5 by 2, 20 by 13, 10 by 9, 20 by 23, dot dot dot. Here now we have to study about the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, after that harmonic progression. In this case, first of all, we identify the progressions. What will be arithmetic or geometric or harmonics, so that see here this can be written as, if we multiply 4 of numerator as well as denominators, then series will be here. Series 5 4 5 are 20 by 4 2 are 8, 20 by 13, 2 2 10 are 20 by 2 9 are 18, 20 by 23. Now we see this series. In the numerator there is a 20, so that in the nth terms as the numerator comes 20, as denominator 8, 13, 18, 8 5 are 13, 5 are 18, 5 are 23. It means that this is an AP 8, 13, 18, 23. Now, so that Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now a equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 5. This will be equal to 8 plus 5n minus 5. This is equal to 5n minus 5n plus 5n plus 3. This becomes 5n plus 3, so that nth terms of given series equal to 20 by 5n plus 3. 5n plus 3. This is our answer. Now we study the sum of harmonic progressions. Here sum of n terms in harmonic progressions. In general, the standard form of the harmonic progression, as you know that AP, the standard form of AP equal to a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dot dot a plus n minus 1 into d. So that, as you know that reciprocal of terms of arithmetic progressions that make series, that is known as harmonic progressions, and 1 by a, 1 plus a plus b, 1 by a plus 2d, 1 by a plus 3d, dot dot 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d is the standard form of harmonic progressions, and sum of n terms is equal to 1 by d log, that is written as ln log 2a plus n 2n minus 1 into d divided by 2a minus d, where a is the first term of the related AP, d is the common difference of related AP, and ln is the natural log. Here one new term comes here, natural log. As we see that generally in the book there is log for value of log given to assume that base is 10. Here natural log means जिस log का बेस e हो उसे नेचुरल लॉग कहते हैं. जिसका बेस e हो, e is the Euler constant and that value is 2.71828 approximate. Now as we know that this can be written as 10 के power 1 is equal to 10. This is in the power form in the घातांक. It can be written as log 10 base 10 equal to 1, log 100 base 10 equal to 2. This can be also written as 10 के power 2 equal to 100. This is in the power form and this can be written in the logarithm log 10 log 100 base 10 equal to 2. And here 5 के power 1 is equal to 5, 6 के power 1 is equal to 6, 10 के power 1 is equal to 10. Generally in the books they are written as to assume the base 10, but here in this case log 10 base e, if base is e, that is equal to 2.303, 2.303 and 2.303. Some books will log 10 base e equal to 2.302, but in the chemistry 2.303. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.